LECFC News Update.
Hello, I am your DJ for this week. I am Olive. Kapagpalang linggo na naman nagdaan sa ating buhay. Napakabuti talaga ng Diyos.
December 18, 2010, Sabado, ang mga kabataan ng Legacy together with Men's Ministry ay magkakaroon ng joint fellowship sa Prayer Mountain, Antipolo. Sama na! We will be having our first ever candlelight service na gaganapin sa Gregorio Elementary School sa December 24, 2010, 6 to 8 p.m. Sama na ang buong pamilya at sabay-sabay nating alalahanin ang tunay na kahulugan ng Pasko.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. However, we recommend that you attend the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. service every Sunday. We've got more space for you in the evening service. You're free to move, to dance, and to just express how much you love God as we all together worship Him. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday.
Meron tayong ongoing in-house Bible School with Pastor Robert Lee. Sunday po yan. 9 in the morning.
Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our Workers' Fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Again, this is DJ Olive. Thank you and see you next week for another exciting edition of LECFC News Update. Shalom!
LECFC News